In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert bibliography using Mendeley. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open your document, and then you want to have all the citations, the references in here already. If you don't know how to do that, first go watch my videos. I do have an entire playlist on Mendeley, so go watch that first. And then when your text is done, you can position yourself wherever you want to insert, and you want to open this Mendeley site extension over here, or the add-in, inside your Word document. So go to References, click on Mendeley site, and you're good to go. From here, again, position yourself where you want to insert the bibliography. I'm going to insert mine over here, and then go to those three dots top right and click on Insert Bibliography. For the first time you do this, it's going to ask you if you want to do it manually or live. It's up to you. I just like manual, so I'm going to click on Continue over here. And when you do that, as you can see, it's going to automatically insert the bibliography. Then there's also two ways to update it. You can click on the three dots and you can press delete, and it's going to get deleted, and you can just basically insert a new one. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. So like this, go, and you can just insert like this. Oops. So insert, and there we go. Continue, we're good to go. Or you could just basically go up here and click on update bibliography, and if there were any updates, of course those are going to get in effect. So if I, for example, delete this citation here, and if I go and let's say want to update this, I can now do that, and as you can see, it removed that citation from the bibliography. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.